भूखा रहा प्यासा रहा लब पर शुक्र था, भूखा रहा प्यासा रहा रब पर शुक्र था। रब ने कहा यही है मेरा बंदा यही है मेरा बंदा पसंदीदा। Respected teachers, my dear brothers and other dignified guests, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I Sheikh Rehan of class 5. Today I am going to deliver views on fasting. Fasting during the month of Ramzan is one of the 5 pillars of Islam. The first roza help us practice self-discipline and self-restraint. We fast from dawn until sunset, abstaining from food and drink. Ramzan is a time for increased prayer, reflection and reading the Quran. Ramzan is the 9th month of the Islamic calendar, a holy time for Muslims worldwide. It is obligatory for adult Muslims excluding patients. The fast is broke after sunset with a meal called iftar, often starting with dates and water. May our fasters be expected by Allah. ना शिकवा क्या ना तलब की कोई रज़ा, ना शिकवा क्या ना तलब की कोई सदा, रज़ा पे राज़ी यही है इश्क की इंतहा। थैंक यू।